Manahil, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. I think my screen is sharing
Yes.
and I've got a whiteboard over there. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Let me then get this question. So, ma'am made me aware that on your last lesson, there are problems that you attempted, and she did indicate that I might need to emphasize those problems, which is equations involving the fractions. Let's see, Manahil, to what extent you understood, ma'am, and we will just continue with some more complicated problems. So this is part of a solving for x where fractions are involved. Let's see. Okay, number one. So let's say we have x over 2 that we plus it by 3, which is equals to 7 over 2. Okay, so Manahil, I'm not sure if you would like for me to do just a few and then only afterwards give you some problems to work on.
Sir, I think it's best for you to do a few, then you can give you some problems to work on.
Okay, then it's fine. So number one, we have x over 2 plus 3, which is equals to 7 over 2. So the best thing to do, Manahil, is just to make sure that the fraction that has letter x, the fraction that has letter x remains on the left. So it doesn't matter what the letter is. As long as it has a letter, you just want to have it to be on the left. So that means this is what I'm going to leave on the left, which is x over 2 equals to 7 over 2. This 3, I will take it to the other side. It will become minus 3. Let me check. So, do you use a calculator in school, Manahel?
Yes, sir.
So they allow you to use a calculator, ne?
Yes.
Okay, then it's fine. Then it means we have x over 2, which is equals to, when you punch that on a calculator, what do you get? 7 over 2 minus 3.
7 over 2 minus 3.
Yes.
It gives you a half.
Gives 1 over 2. Okay, so now that you have fraction on the left, fraction on the right, what you do is to cross multiply. So to cross multiply, you can just say that multiplying that multiplying that. So remember, you have invisible 1 there. So it is that one that multiplies with that 2. It becomes 2x. This 2 multiplies with that 1, it gives you 2. Then you remove that 2 so that it cancels, you remain with x, which is equals to 2 divided by 2, which is 1. And that is the end of it, Manahel. So there are ways in which you can work it out as a shortcut, but in today's lesson, I do not want to take any shortcuts. I want you to do it the way such that if you have to do a complicated problem, you will still be able to work it out. So that means no shortcuts in working out these problems. Did you see what I've done, Manahel, before I jump on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Let me now jump on to the next one. We'll consider this as problem number 2. where we have x over 4 minus 1 equals 3 over 4. So for this one, again, I'm going to make sure that x over 4 is on the left. Already I have 3 over 4. It is this one that has to go to the other side. It changes a sign. It becomes plus 1. So that means on the left you have that. Then you punch that on your calculator. What do you get, Manahil? Will it be 7 over 4?
Sir, I can't type X on my calculator.
Okay, no. You don't punch X. You always punch the numbers, which is this on the right.
Okay. Sir, I got 7/4.
7 over 4 is what you are getting there. Okay, so now you can just cross multiply that, multiplying that multiplying that. So that means you have 4x, which is equal to, what is 7 times 4? What is 7 times 4? What is it?
28.
Okay, 28. Then you need to remove that 4. That's why you divide by 4. So that means you have, what is 28 divided by 4? 6, 7. Is it 7? Yes, it's 7. Then that is the end of it. Did you see what I've done there, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. I am therefore going to jump onto another one. And then this one, we'll consider this to be number 3, where we have, let's say, x over 5, that you plus it by 2, which equals 9 over 5. Okay, so now let's see Manahil. Again, because this fraction has a letter, we will leave it on the left. And then this one, we will take it to the right-hand side because it is a number, just so that we can work it out. So now you will punch this thing on the right on your calculator, just so that it gives you a fraction. What will it be, Manahil? Will it be 5? 10 plus 9,
Sir,
19.
I got negative 1/5.
Negative.
Negative 1.
Wait, you just got negative 1. Okay, let's see. 9 over 5. Uh, 9 over 5 minus 2, negative 1 over 5. Okay, you get negative 1 over 5. Then you cross multiply Manahil. Then to cross multiply, obviously that multiplies that multiplies that. So that means you've got 5x equals to negative 5. Then you remove that 5, it cancels. Then you remain with x, which is equals to negative 1. And that is the end of it. Did you see what I've done there, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me do one more. Then from there, I'm going to give you some problems to work out, and we will see how far you can go. From there, we will just rectify any possible mistakes and see how far you can go. So here, I am having that, which is equals to 5 over 3. Again, Manahil, I will leave this one that has a letter on the left-hand side. And then I'm having 5 over 3. This one, I take it to the other side. It changes the sign, it becomes plus 4. So I will be having x over 3, which is equals to, then when you punch that on your calculator, what are you getting there, Manahil?
Sir, I got 17 over 3.
17 over 3. Okay, then it's fine. Again, what do? We cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, it's like you have 1 times 3, which is 3x, being equals to, what is 17 times 3, Manahil? I think it's 2060 minus 6 is
It's for
54.
51.
51. You say 51, Manahil.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we now need to remove 3. That cancels with that. Then we have x, which is equals to, it looks like it will just remain as that. Or 51 divided by 3, what is that? Does it give us a fraction? Or let's see. Manahil, 51 divided by 3. Okay, it gives us 17. Then that is the end of it. Are you now ready for your problem, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. I will give you, let me give you this one. Give you this one where we have x over 6, that you plus it with 1, which is equals to 7 over 6. So for this one, Manahil, for this one, I would like for you to work it out. As soon as you're done, you take a photo and then you send it to me via WhatsApp inbox. I want to see how you've worked it out. I want to see the mistakes that you make. I want to see if you're going to get it correct. Did you hear me on that one, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Okay. Let's see. So you've got that over that on the other side, then that goes there. Then you cross multiply, and then you have that multiplying that multiplying that. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. And so now I'm going to get another one for you, a Manahil. So that one that you've done, it's correct. You've done it correctly. A good indication that you did understand how to work it out. Okay, then we have this over that. Okay, can you see that one, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can now start working on that one. Okay, let's see. Already that is there. That times that. That times that. Okay, and then you remove that. Okay, let me show you something on this one, Manahil, just so that you see, yes, you do cross multiply like that and that. Then you can just say this times that. What does it give? It's 18. Then you have 18x, which is equals to that times that, it gives 12. Then you can straight away divide by 18. Just so that this 18 cancels with that, then you have x, which will therefore be equals to 2 over 3. Did you see what I've done there, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so the main aim is just to remove the number which is attached to the letter, just so that you can remain with the letter, because the letter is exactly what we are solving. So let's now work on this one. Can you see this one, Manahil?
Yes.
Yes. So you can now start working on this one. Okay, let us see. You've got that and that, that and that, that and that. Yes, 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 yes. I'm happy with that one, Manahil. Okay, let's see. Let's not waste time and move on to this one, which is that over that, which is equals to that. Okay, there is another one, Manahil. You can start working on that one. So after this, we will do two more. And then afterwards, we will start working on a different type. I will need to do a few examples and then give you some more to do. Okay, it's fine. Manahil can start working on that one then.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And let's see what you've done. That, that, that. Yes. Okay. Then it's fine. Manahil, it looks like we have made some progress on this one. Otherwise, I am confident that even with the last two, you were going to survive. So now, let me introduce you to another type where we have x over 4 minus 2x over 3, and this is equals to 5. Something that you need to be aware of, Manahil, is that do you agree there is invisible 1 there, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
So that means this thing, do you agree that is the same as 1 over 4x?
Yes, sir.
Yes, minus this one again is the same as 2 over 3 times x, which is equals to 5. So that means this 1 over 4 and that 2 over 3 is the coefficient of x. So you just punch this on your calculator. You see that you punch it with that. The answer that you get is the answer x. So think of it, Manahil, this thing, think of it as like 4x minus 2x. What is 4x minus 2x, Manahil?
2x.
Is 2x. Same thing with this one. It's 1 over 4x minus 2 over 3x. Then you punch this on a calculator. The answer that you get, it is that answer x. Just like here, you said 4 minus 2, it gives you 2. You just remember that it has x. Then that's why you said 2x. So what is 1 over 4 minus 2 over 3?
Sir, it is negative 5 over 12.
It is negative this. So it is negative 5 over 12x, which is equals to 5. So now we need to remove it. So that's why we will just remove by that coefficient, which is a fraction. So remember, whatever that you do on the left, you do exactly that same thing on the right. So that means that will cancel with that. Then you have x, which is equals to, you punch that on your calculator. What is it going to give you, Manahil? I think it will give you negative 12. Just verify for me what it gives you, Manahil. What is it giving you, Manahil?
Which one, sir?
These.
Sir, I don't know how to type that into my calculator.
Can you send me a photo of your calculator? Let me see how it looks like.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Oh, yes. No, this is the one. Okay, you punch. Okay, let me show you how you use it. You see, 5. You punch 5. You see this arrow on your side. There is this arrow. Can you see this arrow, Manahil? The downward arrow for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you click that arrow so that you go to the denominator, you open bracket, then you punch negative 5 over 12. Then you use the arrow to go to the right and close it. Then you say it's equals to. Can you see? Did you see how I've worked it out, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's how you work it out. So try to punch it and let me
Sir, I got 12. Negative
know
12.
what it gives you.
Sir, I got negative
Yes,
12.
it gives negative. Yes, so it gives negative 12. Okay, then it's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. And let's see.
Sir, can
I
you show
am
an example of another one?
mm,
Can you show an example of another question?
an example of
The one that the exact one that you did in the last question.
you mean something like this one?
Yes, sir.
Because you see, you won't know until you work it out. So this is like what we have. You see that one, Manahil? This is what we have. And as we work it out, it ends up like that. So let me try choose another one, but you just won't know how the final answer will look like. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me choose this one. Let's see if it will also be almost the same as that one. So what I'm saying, Manahil, is that we just have a problem and we won't know what the final answer will look like until we work it out. Okay. Can you see this one, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, let's try to then work it out. So I will need this thing to the left-hand side because it has x. But do you agree that this thing is the same as 5 over 2 times x? Do you agree there?
Yes.
Okay, this one, it will have to be minus. Do you agree that it will therefore be a 3 over 4 times x?
Yes.
Okay, equals to this thing. Um, hmm, will it be 3 over 2, Manahil, as a fraction? Because this one is a whole number, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what will it be? Do you know?
No, sir.
Okay. From what I remember, it's like you see this whole number you multiply by denominator. What is it? It's
Sir, do I
1.
work 5 over 2 minus 3 over 4?
Sorry, say again.
Must I work out 5
Oh
over 2
no,
minus?
no. I wanted to know this as a fraction, as something over something.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you know how to work it out?
Yes.
Okay. What will it be?
It says 3 and 3 hops.
Negative 3 over 2. Nay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now you can punch this and this on your calculator.
What, sir?
So remember, we now want to work out this and that.
Yes.
Yes, you can work it out and let me know what the answer is for that one.
Sir, it is 7/4.
So, okay, let's do this. You are getting 7/4x, which will be equals to -3/2, nay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you can still say, okay, I am therefore going to remove that. And then again, whatever that you do on the left, you also do on the right. So you can either do it this way or do it that way of cross multiplying. So here is the one. Can you be able to punch it? That one, Manahil.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to punch it and let me know what you get.
Sir, I got -21/8.
-21/8. Did you punch it correctly, Manahil?
Sir, for the second like the denominator part, I couldn't put the brackets on both of the fractions. So I put it on the separately. It's 7 in brackets and 4 in brackets.
Okay, let me show you how you do it. So you start with this fraction, then you have negative. What did you have at the top? Let's see. It's -3/2. So that means you'll say negative, then you do another fraction. 4/3/2. Then you go to the bottom, then you open that bracket for the other one, which is 7/4. That means you have 7/4. Can you see how it works, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you try to punch it and see if you'll get that answer?
Sir, I'm still getting -21/8.
Did I make a mistake when substituting? Okay, what is it? Send me a photo so that I can check how you punched it on your side. Okay, let's see. Hmm. So you punched -3/2 over that. What's happening there, Manahil? Why are we getting different answers? Manahil, that thing at the top, you say it's what? What is it, that thing at the top? The numerator.
That is the -3 over 2.
Okay. Okay, then it's fine. Let me do this. Getting 6 over 4. How did you do it, Manahil? Manahil, are you sure? I've never seen this before, where we punch same thing on the calculator and we get different answers, because it shouldn't happen like that. Okay, then it's fine. Prove it. I will show you how we prove it. Oh no, 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 no. That information disappeared. Okay, it's fine. We'll just have to redo it. So we had 5x over 3, and then this one we took it to the other side, change the sign, and then it was over 4, which was equals to -3 over 2. Then we said, what did this 2 give us, Manahil? 7 over 4, you say, nay.
Yes, sir.
7 over 4x, which is equals to -3 over 2. So remember, this is the same as that. Do you agree there, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so now we can cross multiply that, multiplying that, multiplying that. So that means we end up having 14x, which is equals to -12. Do you agree there, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now we need to remove that 14, so that cancels with that. We have x, which will be equals to, what will that be, Manahil? It will definitely be -6 over 7. Can you see, Manahil? What is -12 over 14?
-6 over 7.
Yes, wait. Manahil, can you try to punch it again? Can you try to punch this thing again? Maybe put those, the numerator, put it inside the brackets. Let's see what it does. Try to
Yes, sir.
punch it again on your calculator. I will therefore, in the meantime, be writing some things that you can do as your homework, and then you will submit. I will just let you know. Getting that.
Sir, how did you write it again? What was the things I had to type?
What was it again?
I know it was
It was
-3 over 2.
over 7 over 4.
Sir, I think I typed it wrong because the brackets are like they're for both at of the questions at the same time. So I'm still getting -21 over 8.
You're still getting -21 over 8. Okay, can you okay? Wait, did you separate the brackets? Did you separate them and do like this? Say -3 over 2, you close, then you have this, and then you have 7 over 4. Did you separate them like that?
No, sir. The brackets are like as like for both of them at the same time.
So you are having this like that.
Yes.
And then you have that.
Yes.
No. It shouldn't be that way. This shouldn't be for that. It should be this, and then again having that. Because the whole of this, it's a numerator, the whole of that is a denominator. Did you see there, Manahil?
Yes.
Yes, try to punch it that way. Let's see what you get.
Sir, it's not working.
It stopped working.
No.
Wait, what did you say?
I first typed to the bracket and then the fraction thing, and then I said -3/2, and I closed the brackets, and then I pressed the fraction button again, and it is. Oh, never mind, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm getting -6/7.
Let's see. Let's see. You are getting -7/4. Manahil, are you still there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Otherwise it's fine. I think I will just have to check something on my side. But can you see what I'm having there as your homework, Manahil?
Yes, sir.
Let's say homework. Okay, then it's fine. It's fine. This is your homework. You can just take a screenshot, work on it, and then from there, let's see. Okay, you can submit as soon as you are done, anytime before a Friday, Nemana Hill.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Okay, we'll end it here until we meet again, Manahil.
Sir, I didn't copy the things.
So no, you just take a screenshot. No need to copy, ne?
Yes, sir.
Yes, have you taken it?
Let me try again. Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.